next in our series of Camden Tough videos. Camden Tough is our promise to you of the very best quality product at a competitive price, backed by the very best warranty in the industry. The product I'd like to show you today is our remarkable new CM-RQE70 Request to Exit motion detector. We've joined just a handful of the manufacturers currently offering REX detectors. This is our own detector, designed and manufactured by us, including our own PIR technology. This product has been designed from the ground up by Camden Controls. In fact, it's the first completely new REX detector design to be introduced in the marketplace in almost 15 years. We started by looking at all the competitive models of REX detectors in the market and then took their best features. And we're introducing innovations to the market that have never been seen before. Innovations that make installation and setup easier than ever. Let me show you an example of that innovation. Where competitive REX detectors on the market force you to use dip switches to configure the detector, Camden has introduced simple onboard program buttons. Now, setting up the detector is as easy as pressing a button. The CM-RQE70 REX detector comes with 4 factory default modes, and you can use the programming buttons to change the parameters of each of the settings. The 4 factory default operating modes are shown in the product manual. Mode 1 is for a normal latch detector setting, and this is the most commonly used mode for a REX detector. Mode 2 is for a door prop alarm. If a person walks into the range of the sensor and opens the door, the system will send an alarm to the signal device. Mode 3 is an access control mode. You use this mode for an access control system to enable or disable the REX detector by a scheduled time. For example, if you are securing a door after 5 p.m. but want to leave it unsecured during the day, the access control system will bypass the detector when it's unsecured. Lastly, Mode 4 is a secondary activation device mode. This mode supports the input of another device, such as a request to exit switch, that must be activated before the REX detector is allowed to operate. Secondary device activation is used in high security applications to prevent the activation of the REX detector from the unsecured side of the door. In addition to the 4 factory default operating modes, the CM-RQE70 also has built-in self-diagnostics. If there's a problem with the detector will actually set off a series of beeps to indicate what the problem is. You can refer to the manual for more information about this feature. Another REX detector innovation that Camden is bringing to the market is that we don't force you to buy a more expensive detector to get the high-end features that you need. The CM-RQE70 includes all the features that you need, including a 93 dB sounder, Tamper alarm, 2 relays, and it is 12 and 24 volts DC operation. Lastly, Camden makes installation even easier by providing a detector that is small and can be installed virtually anywhere. We also offer a plug-in wiring harness, so wiring is as easy as possible. Camden's remarkable CM-RQE70 is supported by agency listings across North America. It is listed for UL 294 and ULC S319 standards for access control. Camden's new REX detector is available in white or black, and we have an adapter plate available, so you can mount the detector on a single gang in-wall box. Camden Door Controls offers the most extensive range of high-quality door activation, locking, and control products to support any automatic door or access control application. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website.